looks fun.
Well, if we don't put it here, the only other option is over there, and that was where we were gonna put the kids' playground. And
yeah, what's your focal, like your center point would be the front door maybe? And then you could, because you could have like a real neat, we could have a path up to the door. But it would have to be straight, it could be kind of like windy, but that would be really cool little.
I really like that idea.
Very fun. It could be like, it would be really cute.
Really cute.
It would be really cute having the kids, the girls go pick
That'd be so cute.
stuff.
What are they gonna be?
Like you have usually 4 foot of out the back of the
It'd be
shed.
even with the front and the back. So you'd space them
You can
slightly
find-
with the front and the back.
You
I like
can
that.
find lots
Now
of
there's
animals
still room
back.
for a fence that goes.
We're gonna have to go to an antique shop and find a really cute gate, not just build one. It's gonna have to be an antique gate right here.
Oh, I want to dig all this up and put, I don't even know, it's some kind of cool flowers. I don't think it's solid. Maybe
What is
all-
it?
Maybe it is all solid.
Well, so
I thought
then
it was just a
why
border.
couldn't you build some kind of
But
circle?
it's got,
Why couldn't you build some kind of circle
oh,
raised
it's just got
bed?
that much built up dirt. It's all concrete, so. Yeah, I mean, I could just lay dirt on there too and plant it.
Plant some flowers. Yeah, we have to do something about this eyesore. And then kids' playground over here. Fenced in. Chicken area back here. Garden and garden cottage here. So we had some leftover cedar, what do you call these, fence posts from our chicken coop project. It was the only cedar we could find at our hardware store, so we had bought fence posts. So we're gonna use these to construct our raised beds. We decided since we had some left over, and because cedar is much less prone to rot, that this would be perfect. Luke ordered this here, a truckload of topsoil, and so this is what we're going to use to fill our raised beds.
Mom, you're this into big. I'm not this big.
No, you
You're this big.
okay.
I'm gonna measure my steps.
Oh, okay.
See those boxes on me? Because I got them. It's blew up. It blew up.
One of those.
This?
Yeah.
The big one?
This will accept that.
You're gonna go ring the dinner bell.
Okay.
We got roasted chicken, which the kids have already been picking at. Dill pickles, which I'm gonna show you how to make in a video, or maybe I already did depending on when this goes out. Some lemon vinaigrette dressing and some roasted squash and greens. Okay, nice. So we'll just make them all and then set them out and see where we want them.
A stick's gonna walk by. Mom, grab it!
Great.
Mommy, grab it! Oh, look, Mom.
Got some compost here. What did you say this is again?
It's just broken down leaves.
I'm gonna tell
and a few
It was
table
actually,
scraps since we've lived here.
Where should I put my carrots and lettuce?
We'll find a spot. We're gonna plant everything here now. Okay, Eli, what are we gonna plant now? And herbs kind of like shade. I think this is our shadiest bed. All right, we went to a local nursery and just picked up a bunch of plants to give us a jump start, considering that we are way behind on this. Got an herb garden, everything needs water. Peppers, tomatoes, and then they had cosmos, which I normally plant from seed. And I'm so excited to have a jump start on that because I can have cut flowers as soon as right now, which is awesome. We did a total of 6 raised beds. We're gonna do a fence around this and hopefully an antique gate. Lots of work to be done on this little garden cottage. And then Luke just built me a long, narrow bed here for the flowers. So this is all gonna be flowers and this is all gonna be squared off with mulch and a fence.